Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving over Mount Rosseau, and straight ahead that's where we're going to drive over. We are in Ewaton in St. Catherine, and we are going up to Mount Rosseau now to go over it, but we're still in the Ewaton area. Now when people think of Mount Rosseau, I'm not sure why, but most persons think of St. Anne. But Mount Rosseau is actually in St. Catherine. I think why persons do that is because they associate Mount Rosseau with driving to Ocho Rios or driving to the north coast. Because before the highway was built, this was the main way of getting to the north coast from Kingston or Spanish Town or Portmore. So the majority of the Jamaican population would use this road to get to Ocho Rios. So I think persons just associate Ocho Rios with St. Anne, but it is the largest, well, one of the largest towns in St. Anne. No, it's actually the largest town in St. Anne. So I think persons just inadvertently think of Mount Rosseau as being in St. Anne. Now, if you notice, going over the hill, it's two lanes. One lane going up, one lane coming down, and the road is very narrow. So what Mount Rosseau is most famous for is its delays. Now, when you have two big trucks or trailers using this road, one coming down, one going up, if they should meet on a corner or close to a corner, it's going to cause a problem. They're going to get stuck. And it has happened many times, so I'm speaking from experience. One truck going up, one truck coming down, and they get stuck because both can't pass at the same time. And it can create a traffic nightmare. You see how narrow the road is, so it's not even say you want to turn around and then to navigate those trucks. I'm sure everybody has a story of being delayed on this road. But the highway was built, and that's an alternate route to using this hill. Also, the government has widened the road. Some of the corners they have widened, so it's easier for the trucks to operate on it. Now, you notice there are a lot of homes. There is a community that lives in this area. Persons set up a lot of shops, a lot of bars. Not sure why they would have so many bars on a road. Kind of ironic when you think of drinking and driving, but there are a lot of bars as you drive over this hill. I don't know, maybe it's a view, I don't know. But basically a lot of persons live up here. You have schools. See these deep corners, it's so that the trucks can navigate it easily. There's another bar, restaurant. And you know, we did a video about Fate's Pen, and Fate's Pen was a very popular food stop. You could stop there and eat on your way to the north coast, more specifically to Ocho Rios. Okay, that's one of the big trucks we're talking about. And Fatespen is like a ghost town now. If they had 30 stalls, they probably have one now. And we were trying to figure out why. Some persons had said all the traffic is on the highway. But I don't know, because, okay, you see how deep this corner is? It was widened to facilitate the trucks. Even this one, you can see it was widened. Because though bars or the food places on Mount Rosseau, they don't seem to be closed. They are operating as usual. So I don't know. It's very strange as to what happened to Fatespen. And the same traffic that goes over Mount Rosseau would pass through Fatespen. So I'm not sure what happened. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Okay, on the right is the Mount Rosseau Primary and Infant School. There are some bamboo trees. This section of Mount Rosseau reminds me of that bamboo place in St. Elizabeth, Holland Bamboo. And in Holland Bamboo, the bamboos are actually taller than this. They actually go all the way up and curve around and literally cover the road. It's like a roof over the road. Very nice. So I'm sure this area will be like that very soon, but there's a lot of bamboo trees here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And I just want to point out, we've gone over Mount Rosseau and we're still in St. Catherine. We haven't entered St. Anne yet. Actually, somewhere around here is the Welcome to St. Anne sign. So I guess as we drive down Mount Rosseau, that section will be in St. Anne. Somewhere around here, I remember seeing a sign. Let's see. Okay, here it is. Welcome to St. Anne. So we're actually entering St. Anne now. So we just left St. Catherine. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.